In this lecture, I will show you how to create the .car file in LTspice and how to run it in bash mode using Python scripting. This is the material for this lecture. We can go to the schematic in LTspice. Double click. This is the schematic for trending simulation. Now let's go to View, Spice Netlist. This is the Spice Netlist that has the Spice syntax, which defines the circuitry. We right-click, Edit as independent netlist, and we can save it as .car file. We'll save. This window shows the syntax in different colors. Now let's go back to Spider. Make sure you are in the correct directory for this lecture. So there are two cells in the code. The first one is, as we did before, we defined the directory for the executable in LTspice. Also, we import subprocess. In the second cell, we use subprocess.call to run the .car file. This is the correct name for .car file as shown in the directory. We use bash mode. So you can see -b here. And we go to the directory, make sure there's no raw file here. Now let's run this cell. We can hit this button to run the first cell. And to run the second cell, hit it one more time. Alright, so there's the output at 0. Go back to the directory, you can see the raw data is created. So we double click this schematic. We can close this and we can open the raw data. Let's open and choose raw data waveforms directory for this lecture. We can see there's raw data here. Right click, we can add a trace. Vout, hit OK. So this is data just created by Python scripting. That's all for this lecture. Thank you very much.